The Great Rift Valley is one of the most extraordinary geological features on Earth, a vast trench that stretches approximately 6,000 kilometers from Lebanon in Asia to Mozambique in southeastern Africa. Its formation is a story that spans millions of years, involving tectonic forces, volcanic activity, and the slow but relentless movement of the Earth's crust. To understand the origin of the Great Rift Valley, we must delve into the deep history of our planet, exploring both the scientific facts and the cultural legends that have emerged around this awe-inspiring landscape. Let us begin with the geological processes that shaped the Great Rift Valley. The story starts around 40 million years ago, during the Eocene epoch, when the African plate began to experience significant tectonic forces. The Earth's lithosphere, which is the rigid outer layer comprising the crust and upper mantle, is divided into several tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, driven by the convective currents in the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath them. Around 30 million years ago, the African plate started to split apart due to the divergent forces acting on it. This rifting process was not uniform, it occurred in stages, creating a series of fractures and faults that would eventually form the Great Rift Valley. The East African Rift, which is the most prominent segment of the Great Rift Valley, began to form around 25 million years ago. This rift is a classic example of a continental rift, where a tectonic plate is being pulled apart. As the lithosphere thinned and stretched, the Earth's crust sank along parallel fault lines, creating a series of valleys and escarpments. The process is ongoing, and the East African Rift is still widening at a rate of about 6 to 7 millimeters per year. Over millions of years, this slow but steady movement has created the dramatic landscapes we see today, with steep cliffs, deep valleys, and towering volcanic peaks. Volcanism has played a crucial role in the formation of the Great Rift Valley. As the crust thinned, magma from the mantle rose to the surface, leading to the eruption of numerous volcanoes. Some of the most famous volcanic mountains in Africa, such as Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Kenya, and the Virunga Mountains, are located within or near the Great Rift Valley. These volcanoes have not only shaped the topography but have also contributed to the rich soils that support the region's diverse ecosystems. The volcanic activity in the Rift Valley is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, where the forces of creation and destruction are constantly at work. The Great Rift Valley is not just a geological wonder, it is also a cradle of life. The region is home to some of the oldest hominid fossils ever discovered, providing crucial insights into the evolution of early humans. In the 1970s, paleoanthropologists such as Richard Leakey made groundbreaking discoveries in the Turkana Basin in Kenya, unearthing fossils of Homo habilis and Homo erectus, species that lived around 2 million years ago. These findings have led scientists to believe that the Great Rift Valley may have been a crucial habitat for early humans, offering a combination of water, shelter, and abundant food resources. The valley's lakes, such as Lake Turkana, Lake Tanganyika, and Lake Malawi, are among the oldest and deepest in the world, and they have sustained life for millions of years. The Great Rift Valley is also a place of great cultural significance. For the indigenous peoples of East Africa, the valley is not just a physical landscape, but a spiritual one as well. Many local communities have legends and myths that explain the origin of the Rift Valley. For example, the Maasai people of Kenya and Tanzania have a story about the god Enkai, who sent a giant to create the Rift Valley by dragging his spear across the land. According to the legend, the giant's actions caused the earth to split open, forming the valleys and mountains that we see today. While these stories are not scientific, they reflect the deep connection between the people and the land, a connection that has endured for generations. The formation of the Great Rift Valley has also had a profound impact on the climate and ecosystems of East Africa. The creation of the valley has influenced weather patterns, creating a rain-shadow effect that has led to the arid conditions in some areas, such as the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia. At the same time, the valleys, lakes and rivers have created fertile oases that support a wide variety of plant and animal life. The Great Rift Valley is home to some of the most iconic wildlife on the planet, including elephants, lions, giraffes, and flamingos. The valley's diverse habitats, from savannas to forests to wetlands, make it a biodiversity hotspot and a critical area for conservation. The geological processes that formed the Great Rift Valley are still active today, and the region remains one of the most seismically and volcanically active areas in the world. Earthquakes are common, and new volcanic eruptions can occur at any time. In 2005, for example, a series of earthquakes in the Afar region of Ethiopia caused the ground to split open, creating a new rift that could eventually become part of the Great Rift Valley. Scientists believe that in millions of years, the East African Rift could split the African continent into two, creating a new ocean basin. This process, known as continental rifting, is a reminder that the Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing planet. The Great Rift Valley is also a place of great scientific interest. Geologists, biologists, and anthropologists from around the world come to study its unique features and the life it supports. The valley's lakes, for example, are natural laboratories for studying evolution. Lake Tanganyika, which is over 9 million years old, is home to hundreds of species of fish that are found nowhere else on Earth. These species have evolved in isolation, adapting to the unique conditions of the lake. Similarly, the valley's volcanic soils have created unique ecosystems that are rich in endemic species, making the Great Rift Valley a living laboratory for the study of biodiversity. The Great Rift Valley has also played a crucial role in human history. The fertile soils and abundant water resources have made the valley a center of agriculture for thousands of years. The ancient civilizations of East Africa, such as the Aksumite Empire in Ethiopia, thrived in the valley's favorable conditions. Today, the valley is still an important agricultural region, producing crops such as coffee, tea, and maize. The valley's lakes and rivers also provide water for millions of people, making it a vital resource for the region's growing population. In conclusion, the Great Rift Valley is a testament to the power of geological forces and the resilience of life. Its formation is a story that spans millions of years, involving the slow but relentless movement of tectonic plates, the eruption of volcanoes, and the creation of new landscapes. The valley is not just a geological wonder, it is also a cradle of life, a place of cultural significance, and a critical area for scientific research. As we continue to study and explore the Great Rift Valley, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet's history and the processes that shape it. The Great Rift Valley is a reminder that the Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing place, and that we are all part of a larger story that began long before humans walked the Earth. The Great Rift Valley is also a place of great beauty, with its dramatic landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and rich cultural heritage. It is a place where the past and present come together, where the forces of nature and the ingenuity of humans have created a unique and enduring landscape. Whether you are a scientist, a traveler, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of the natural world, the Great Rift Valley is a place that inspires awe and wonder. It is a place that reminds us of the power and beauty of the Earth, and of our place within it. As we look to the future, the Great Rift Valley will continue to be a place of great importance. The ongoing geological processes that shape the valley will create new landscapes and ecosystems, while the valley's rich cultural heritage will continue to inspire and inform future generations. The Great Rift Valley is a living testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, and to the resilience and adaptability of life. It is a place that reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things, and of the importance of preserving and protecting the natural world for future generations. In the end, the story of the Great Rift Valley is a story of change and continuity, of destruction and creation, of the past and the future. It is a story that reminds us of the power of nature, and of the enduring spirit of life. The Great Rift Valley is a place that has shaped the history of our planet, and that will continue to shape the future of life on Earth. It is a place that inspires us to explore, to learn, and to appreciate the wonders of the natural world. And it is a place that reminds us of our responsibility to protect and preserve the Earth for future generations. The Great Rift Valley is a place of wonder, a place of beauty, and a place of great importance. It is a place that we must cherish and protect, for it is a place that holds the key to understanding our planet's past, present, and future.